Hi there, English learners. Welcome back to the channel. This is Teacher Emmanuel. So today we are going to dive into homophones, words that sound the same but have different meanings. So let's learn 5 confusion pair of homophones. There and there. There refers to a place, like over there and look over there, while there shows possessions. It's a possessive adjective. It's like their car, it's for them. To versus to. To is used to heading somewhere or going somewhere. I'm going to the store. But to, T-O-O, is excessively or also. Right and right. Another pair of right means directions. Turn right, turn left. But right, it's when you're writing a letter on a keyboard. Sea versus sea. Sea is referred to the sea in the ocean like swimming. But when we're talking about sea, like your eyes, you see with your eyes. Finally, buy versus buy. Buy, we use it means to purchase something, like I'm going to buy a new phone. But when we're using buy next to the car, buy next to you, near you, the book is by the door. There you have it, 5 pairs of homophones. Remember, it's all about context. The more you practice, the easier you get it. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. This was Teacher Emmanuel. See you in the next video for the Quick English Learning channel. Goodbye.